Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. And to enable or disable it, we need to use developer options. So, if you don't know how to enable developer option on your device, you can check a video at this channel, we have it just for your phone. Now, after you enable it, we need to go to the settings, then scroll down, and you need to find System, click at this line, and in the system, at least on stock Android, we have developer options. Enter here, and you need to scroll down and find HD audio, but you can also use a search and you can write HD right here, and as you can see we have it and it's located at the developer options. Tap at this line. Now, to enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And once you enable it, you can swap between Bluetooth audio codecs by just tap at the best one for you. But let's return to AC. And to disable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!